Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to deactivate or activate the FPS limiter in Dying Light the Beast. So start by opening the settings by using the O button on your keyboard or move your mouse over here and press options. Now you have to open the video settings, and in here you have to find the FPS limiter. It enables the frame per second limits. You can switch it on or off. If you switch it on, then you can choose a target FPS. I like to use the off, and it will be synchronized with my hertz of my monitor, which is only 60 Hz, but that would be all that I need for playing this game in a comfortable way. Hope you liked this video, leave a comment and enjoy watching more videos from this game on our YouTube channel. Goodbye!